Good morning to respected directors, sir, principals, and vice principal, and all the teachers. Thank you to giving us opportunity to show our presentation at Visa Public School. We have made presentation on software development methodologies. We have covered 7 topics and all the teachers. First, so thank you to giving us opportunity to show our software at Visa Public School. We have made presentation on software development methodologies. We have covered 7 topics in our presentation. Our first topic is software. There are 2 types of software: system software and application software. First, system software. Software is a line of code that instructions out to the instructions with a computer.
In the operation of the computer,
There are 2 types of software: system software and application software. First, system software.
Next topic is application software.
System
System software is the programming, system program design, all the
some examples of system software are
software, the program design,
and notepad, presentation software like Microsoft PowerPoint. Our next topic is program.
Move forward. Line emission
system software is the program design, is the operation of the computer designed to
Programming is used to create
the device.
some example of
Next topic is application software.
HTML and .NET Python.
Application software is used to do the functions that
Next
are
topic is programming.
for the computer to do itself. Some examples of the system software are word processing software like Microsoft Word and Notepad, presentation software like Microsoft PowerPoint. Our next topic is programming.
My first question, what is the difference between software and hardware?
Hardware is the part of computer that is physically an object that we can touch, but software is a part of computer that cannot be touched. It can only be seen on the screen of computer, and it works from instruction of hardware.
Okay, and my second question, software development. What is software development?
Software development is a methodology that can be used to develop many types of applications, websites, and games that we use in our daily life.
And my last question, why is necessary for coding in now time?
Coding is necessary in our life because we can today is the time of artificial intelligence and computer. So if we know how to create code and do coding, we can create our own artificial intelligence software that we cannot get copyright from any type of.
Okay, thank you. And very good. Have a nice day.